are some fun chocolate cookies for a dessert for an Asian meal. These are fortune cookies we brought in a package, and I'm going to dip them in chocolate. Now let's talk about this chocolate. I melted down some chocolate chips, put them in a little bowl over some boiling water. The water was not touching the bottom of the bowl. Let the water simmer until the chocolate melts. Now you remember, chocolate is very temperamental. It's like the grand dame of all the foods, and if you melt it too quickly, it's going to get angry and seize up on you and form a little ball. Did that ever happen to you? And you think, well, I've got to turn up the fire and heat it more and melt it down. It just gets worse. All you can do is just dump it out and start over again. It has to do with the lipids or something. So melt it very slowly over the boiling water. Doesn't take much to melt it. And once it's melted, it will keep its heat and keep melted for quite a while. Then take whatever you want to dip, in this case a little fortune cookie, dip it in, scrape its little edge on the bottom so it doesn't form a big puddle on your parchment paper. And here's another thing. Now please do this. You've got to dip onto either wax paper or foil or parchment paper. If you don't, it will just stick to your pan and you won't be able to get it up. The chocolate will stick. You'll have to scrape it. It'll fall off your cookies. It's just not even worth trying. Now look at these cute little cookies. You know how they make little rice cookies for Asian dinners? I love getting these. Well, you know what? I'm just going to dip it like that, because that's just how it worked. So hold the center, dip one edge. Now you can find little round almond cookies. You can find, these are little like shortbread cookies. Whatever cookies you want, you buy them, you dip them in chocolate, and you say, okay, here's our dessert, Asian dipped chocolate cookies. Who knows? Okay, now if you don't want to go dipping them like that, take your chocolate that's melted in your spatula and just drizzle it. And it doesn't matter how it goes. Look, see, the chocolate is melted, but it's still a little bit stiff, so it's not just oozing out. But I'll just kind of sprinkle it over, and let me show you what these look like. This is really easy. My grandkids love to do this part. Look at this. How cute that is, with just the chocolate drizzled on it, or kind of flung on it. And look at that one. If you served these with just a little bit of chocolate, they'd be so good they could kind of eat off the chocolate and then have the fortune cookie. There's a good, easy, unusual, and wonderful dessert for any Asian dinner.